Hello, welcome to Once Upon a Doodle, fellow artists. Ready to jump into a world full of imagination, colors, and magical drawings? Today we're going to create something so fun you won't want to stop drawing. This is Unikitty. Let's go!
Once Upon a Doodle.
Okay, let's get started. I will draw with a fiber, but you can do it with a pencil if you want. We will start by drawing Unikitty's eyes. To do this, we will make a larger circle first, and then several smaller circles within the first one. Then we draw the nose and the little mouth. Now we'll outline the square shape of his face, and then inside the face, we'll draw some circles and lines. Then we will draw the ears. These have a shape similar to a triangle. While we draw the ears, we will also draw the eyebrows. It's time to draw Unikitty's magical unicorn horn. We'll move on to drawing the body. It will be shaped like an upside-down U, with a tail at the end, and it will join the head and neck. At the bottom of the body, we will make some lines to differentiate the legs from the body. We make the neck, and move on to drawing the tail. And near the eyes, we will draw some beautiful, large eyelashes.
I am Princess Unikitty!
Now, yes, I think we can start coloring. We will start by painting with the light blue color in his eyes, horn, one of his legs, and his tail. On one side of the face, we'll use light pink, and dark pink or fuchsia we'll use for the other side of the face and body. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. In violet, we paint a section of the body, the ears, and the cheeks in the form of circles on the face. The neck will be apple green, and the other leg will be yellow. Parts of the leg and tail will remain white. We'll paint the eyes black, as well as the eyebrows and eyelashes. I think someone is happy. You can use the same marker to highlight the entire drawing if you wish. Very good. It turned out very nice. And so we have this awesome drawing. Now that you've done it, why not try another challenge or experiment with new drawings? I'm leaving you this video on my channel to keep drawing, or I invite you to browse my channel to discover more inspiration and creative challenges. Your next masterpiece is waiting for you.